This trailer's got an 18-foot flat on it with a 4-foot dovetail. It's 22-foot long total. Got fold-down ramps, and it is made to. Guys, these. Go ahead and let it down with your finger. This has got fold. These fold right here, but you'd have to block them up. They've got a handle on them. You can put a bracket on there and level this trailer out probably. Hold that one up. It's 8 foot wide. Got your 8-hole wheels. It's got 4-wheel brakes, guys. I haven't checked it. It's a local machine, but there's no title. It's got a winch on it. The winch doesn't work. We tried it. It's got adjustable hitch on it here. This I think takes a 2 5/16 ball. Pretty neat way it's set up here. Got the late model plug-in on it. Safety chains.